Do you ever just sit in your car and just want to scream? Woo! You guys are so crazy. I had no idea that Arby's would be so controversial for some of you. Most of you are really kind people, and I appreciate you and love you so much. But some of you have such a problem with what I do. It makes me laugh. I am aware that Arby's is not a 5-star restaurant. I'm simply just giving options to people that are on the road, truckers, people that don't want to cook, don't have time to cook, are on their way home and have to grab something before they binge on anything bad. So I'm just giving options. Chill. You can just, swipe up. And to the person who left a hate comment about my hair feathers, 2012 called. You should have left your comment though, because I saw it before you erased it. I thought it was hilarious. Also, high school called. They want their mean girl back. If you're nice to me, then guess what? I'll be nice to you. It's free to be kind. Free! Today I am at one of my favorites, Jimmy John's. I got the spicy East Coast Italian. I added pickles to it, but it's so good.